Dear viewers and all my esteemed subscribers, I am Mostafa. Welcome back to Ornate Peexels. Today I will teach you how to make a digital voltmeter using low-cost 14-pin microcontroller IC and 7-segment display. I have designed this circuit board for you. You can download this PCB layout from the description of this video. Okay, let's get started. Before installing the display on the PCB, the jumpers must be placed first. Okay, now we can install the display. Dear friends, I have attached a circuit diagram in this video. Follow it and install all the components. If you are a smartphone user, tap on the title of the video, then you will see the description of the video. From there, you can download PCB layouts and programming codes. Okay, our circuit board is ready. Now you need to do the programming before installing the IC. If you want to know how to do programming in the PIC Microcontroller IC, you can watch the tutorial from the description of this video. Anyway, after programming, insert the IC into the socket. Then apply a 9-volt power supply to the circuit. The display shows 31 volts here. Now we will adjust the voltage in this way. Okay, dear friends, like, share and subscribe to the channel for next video. Thank you so much.